Hello, Lesley Irizarry-Hougan here, immigration lawyer from Seattle, Washington at L.I.H Law PS. Wanted to give you a quick update on what is going on with the DACA program, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. On August 24th, 2022, DHS, or Department of Homeland Security, announced a final rule to preserve and fortify the DACA program. That rule is supposed to go in effect on October 31st, 2022. And basically it just confirms the program as announced in 2012. So same requirements, same amount of time for the work authorization or work permit, and affirms that DACA is not lawful status. So basically the same program. However, the issue is in 2021, a Texas federal court issued an injunction or stopped the government from implementing the DACA program. So what happened in 2021 is then all of the initial applications for DACA, or the first time people who had applied, were put on hold. And they continue to be on hold to date. This injunction or this court order applies to this new rule. So even though it may seem like good news that we have now a final rule and it's a little more official about the DACA program, in reality, it doesn't change anything while this court case is still pending. So there is no decision on that Texas federal case, so we're awaiting that. Really have no idea how long that will be. But in the meantime, as of right now, which we're in September, when the rule goes into effect October 31st, 2022, there will be basically no change. So you will still not be able to apply for DACA if you have not had it before, or for first-time applicants, or you will not be able to renew DACA if you have let it expire for over 1 year, which is then considered kind of like a first-time renewal. However, if you have DACA and you have continued to renew it, or you renew it within 1 year of expiration, then you can continue to have DACA. So it's more important than ever to continue to renew your DACA on time. The recommendation is 150 to 180 days before your work permit or DACA status expires. So that's still the recommendation. Do it. In my experience, the DACA renewals are taking pretty quickly being processed, but you never want to take that chance to let it lapse. And there's still advanced parole options or permits to be able to leave the US and re-enter on parole. So that is a separate application that you can do while you have valid DACA status, and it is something that I would recommend, if you're interested in, consult with an immigration lawyer to make sure that you can and that you apply properly so that it gets approved before you travel outside of the US. So if you're interested in that, or knowing any alternative options, because DACA again is a temporary program, don't know what's going to happen, don't know if there's going to be more court cases or more litigation around it once the final rule goes into effect. So it's really important to see if you have any alternative options that might give you permanent status in the US. Always, I'm here to help you. 206-838-7628. Currently doing consults remotely and via phone, so via WhatsApp and phone, so we can help anybody in the US. And I hope to hear from you soon.